Why do momos always make the perfect comfort food? I honestly think it is the combination of that spicy sauce and the juicy filling that makes every single bite feel like a celebration.
Why do dumplings make such great musicians? Because they always know how to wrap up a performance with a perfect beat.
You honestly have to try these momos. Why did the chef get a promotion at the restaurant? Because he really knew how to bring so much extra flavor to the table every single day.
Why did the chef break up with the dumpling? Because he felt their relationship was just becoming a little too steamed up and too empty inside.
Why did the dumpling get a job at the bank? Because it had a lot of dough, and it really knew how to fill up the accounts.
Why did the dumpling go to the doctor?
Because it was feeling a little bit steamed and just couldn't handle the heat anymore today. Why did the dumpling go to school? Because it wanted to be a little bit smarter. You honestly have to try these dumplings, thick and filling.
Why do dumplings never get lonely? Because they always hang out in a steamer with all their friends.
Why did the Momo go to school?
Because it wanted to be a smart dumpling and fill its brain with lots of delicious knowledge today. This is absolutely incredible. The flavor of the chicken combined with this spicy achar and the creamy dip is just perfect. You really have to try these.